So the same bounce I wanted to get on TQQ and Baba, I just didn't have a good entry on them, and I really couldn't capitalize on that. Um, let's see, Baba, yeah, so Baba, as you see, exactly sold off. I tried to catch this reversal just from this 99.50, popped up first, added more, kind of. All right, good morning, everybody. This is Andrew from Vancouver Peak Capital Office. I had a really solid day, and I had the pleasure of doing this recap with Mr. John. Thank you so much, John, for giving me your time.
Good morning.
So I had a really nice reversal on NEO. Really nice reversal from 1932 all the way up to 2037, and I still have a little bit of shares going on. So what happened was here is NEO was selling off. All the Chinese companies are selling off at the open, and I missed the open for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes of trading, and then I came and I realized that NEO is reaching out to S4, and then there is another important level, 1932, very important level, and I'm going to show you how I got that level. And I decided to go long on that heavy at 1932 area, popped up, sold, and then on the pullback I added more heavily again and ran all the way up to right now we're talking about 2040. But what is this 1932 level, the reversal? So that level is, if you come on January 28th, that's the bottom of January 28th, the week from January 28th. So I just let me record that here, January 28th. That's exactly the 1932. So we had the S4 as well, the 1930, this level as well. I put a stop loss just below this, sold heavy, and then I still actually heavy share size on that, and then we'll just go all the way up that. And that was the best trade that I did, and the profit was pretty decent here on that front. What else I had? So I had, that's the profit that I did on NEO. That was really solid and very well. And then we're going to talk about Baba and TQQ. So the same bounce I wanted to get on TQQ and Baba, I just didn't have a good entry on them, and I really couldn't capitalize on that. Let's see, Baba, so Baba, as you see, exactly sold off. I tried to catch this reversal just from this 99.50, popped up first, added more, kind of messy, and eventually I said, you know what, I'm out of it. I should have really stayed in longer, and as you see, from 99 to 104, it's a huge run that we got here. That was a very solid bounce. And same as TQQ, again, as you see, it's a beautiful run that we had on TQQ from 51.20, market bounce back. I went a little bit too early, added more. Eventually I said, you know what, I'm getting out of it, because for some reason I really like the NEO better, so that's why. So that's it. So $40,000, that's a pretty good solid start of the Monday, specifically that I'm going to miss a couple of trading days next week as well. So how was your trading, John?
It was good, Andrew. It was good and maybe a bit lucky. If I told you I traded NVIDIA, do you want to take a guess which minute I traded it?
Yeah, let's do that. I love that. NVIDIA, you did it at, is it a high of the day or low of the day? Let me see. High of the day, I think, it should be probably you traded at 941. 941.
Yep. Yeah, not 940. Yeah.
940, 941, yeah, exactly, so, around here. Yeah. Because you usually wait for the candlestick to wait, but this one goes so strong that I would assume you probably jumped in a little bit earlier. Yeah.
I was lucky to catch it below 266. I could see, if you look, there's some early morning resistance around 266. The high day was 266.11, but then at the 933 candle, it did an exact rejection of 266. And if you go back to the pre-market, there's also, that's like a consolidation level there as well.
Beautiful, yeah, awesome.
But yeah, you could feel the volume flowing in just below 266. It happened very quickly, and then the move was much bigger than I expected, so got a bit lucky there.
Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Well, in that case, that was the only day? That only one?
I took another try on another break of 266 later. I was only in it for about 30 seconds. It was either had to move immediately or I was going to get out. So, quick trade.
Awesome. All right, so today's Monday, guys. If you are new into our community, just go into our intro level. You can get an access to our onboarding session. We have 7 days trials. You can check out our courses and our community, and you can you can let us know what you think in the comments. I wish everyone a great week, and hopefully we get some really nice trading this week. Thanks, John. Appreciate that.
Thanks, Andrew.
Bye.